why we don't do this type of heart anymore. It's always that weird looking heart when it comes to biology or NEET or any other entrance exams. This is the heart I like. And let's divide it into right side and left side, and we just imagine this is your house, okay? A heart-shaped house, and let's name the upper floors as atria. Atria. Upper floors are atria, and the lower ones are ventricle. Okay? So we are going to write atria, atria, ventricle, ventricle. Since this is the right side, right atria, right ventricle, left atria, left atria, and left ventricle. So we divided it into this way. So we're going to give them doors. Every house needs doors. These people who are living in each of the room needs to go out. So we're giving them doors. And we need a connection between the upper and lower floors. I don't think we've given that. Yeah. So there should be a door here also. Okay. So door here, 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 and here. Now we need to also remember that this is something, we're talking about something that is going from somewhere to somewhere. Okay. So we're talking about blood. It's coming from some place and it's going to some place. So it's like from top to bottom. It's like you can imagine something is falling from top to the bottom. So you're going to write from on the top doors and to on the bottom doors. Okay, understood. So now we have to write from where? From where? From body. From body. And the opposite side also you should write the same thing. To, yeah. Why is it not getting selected? Yeah, to body. So whatever you write on this side, you should write on the opposite side. So here I'm going to write from lungs. So you're going to write to lungs. And since lungs is, we use the word pulmonary, you're just going to write pulmonary here. And you're going to write pulmonary here also. Done. Okay. Now we have these doors and we need to name them. Okay. So the right door is called the tricuspid valve. The left one is called mitral. Tricuspid valve. Tri, there is the word right. R-I. So R-I-G-H-T. R-I. Do you see R-I in both right and tricuspid? That's an easy way to remember. Or you can also remember it this way. In MCQ exams, we always try to get it right. So try to get it right should help you remember tricuspid is on the right side. So automatically if tricuspid is on the right side, it's very easy to know that mitral will be on the left side. That's also done. Now we need to give names for the things, for the doors. So this from body is from Vena Cava. And opposite to that, to body, you should write the valve here is aortic. Aortic valve. We've already written from lungs pulmonary, but what? It's pulmonary vein. And this one is pulmonary artery. So we just drew the whole thing, and if you have this picture, you can answer any basic questions that they ask. And let's draw. So blood is coming to the right atria, going through the right ventricle to the lungs, and then it goes to the lungs, and from the lungs it comes to the left atria, going down, left ventricle to the aortic valve. Wow. We are done with the circulation of heart. Let's do a quick revision. It into right and left. Upper floors are called atria. So right atria, right ventricle, left atria, left ventricle. We need doors because every room needs doors. We need a connection between the upper and the lower floors. Now, what do? Yes. We have to remember that something is falling from top to the bottom. Okay, so from will go on top. All the froms on top, from, and the twos on the bottom. Now what? Yeah, now we need to name the name the doors. So right side, we remember it with the mnemonic that I gave you. Try to get it right, or R-I-G-H-T. So R-I is there in tricuspid also. So yes, right is tricuspid and left is automatically becomes mitral. Now here you have to remember this. Vena Cava. You have to write Vena Cava here, and whenever you write Vena Cava here, opposite side down, you should write aortic valve. This one will be aortic valve. Wait. Okay. Aortic valve. And this you should write from lungs. Okay. So from lungs, since it's related to the lungs, it will be pulmonary. And this is also, it's going to be two lungs. So here also you'll write pulmonary. This one is pulmonary vein and this one is pulmonary artery. From here, it's actually from body. All right. From body. And this one will be to body. That's all for today. So see you all soon with another video. Bye. Take care.